The FaMe system is one of the worldwide leading solutions for real estate management. Over 32 modules covers all aspects of the building management. More than 20 years business experiences forms a complete, proven and easy-to-handle system. Balanced maintenance strategies guarantees high availability of the installations and reduces the operation costs. Preventive, predictive or condition maintenance strategies are available at the FaMe system. FaMe scales the maintenance strategy to your building substance and workforce capabilities. But the FaMe system gives you the option to upgrade the service seamless to a smart building operation anytime. FaMe supports soft services like smart cleaning. The FaMe smart cleaning programs overview the consumption of cleaning suppliers and protect in this way the environment and reduce the costs. Emergency or incident management is one of the core functions of the FaMe comprehensive solution. Smartphone integration for inquirer and performer reduce the response time and minimize the incident impact. The FaMe system supports the facility manager with several dashboards and alarm levels. Dashboard available for but not limit to workforce operation overview. The FaMe solution comes with an own ERP and CRM system. Now, before we show some FaMe functions online, an overview about the FaMe system. The FaMe system supports different groups of real estate management modules. One is the technical group with modules, which contain, for example, the maintenance management, the asset management, or energy management. This group of modules called also hard services. Another group of modules covers the infrastructure management called as soft services. Cleaning management, landscaping, or janitor services, for example, are one part of this group. The workspace or space management belongs also to this group. The third group covers the financial building management aspects. Typical ERP functions like account and invoice management, or cost centers control, or general ledgers are part of this group. The technical, infrastructure and financial modules are seamless integrated. FaMe supports more than 23 languages in 6 region adaptations. Not one surface concept can fit different user groups' requirements. FaMe offers different surfaces optimized for the particular user group. For an example, for the system admin, an equal surface over all FaMe modules to manage all modules with the same surface. Or a wizard for the maintenance supervisor to set up the preventive maintenance work. Special mobile phone, tablets or touch screen interface concepts available. FaMe offers more than 50 individual user interface concepts. Why a comprehensive solution? The advantages are clear. A comprehensive solution avoids complex interfaces to other applications. A corporate database for all modules avoids double data entries. With a corporate database, a change is immediately available in all other modules. A comprehensive solution reduces trainings and administration costs. The user can start with a small application and can build up a comprehensive solution step by step. And on the end, a comprehensive solution saves the overall costs. Now we show some live functions of the FaMe solution. First, the user has to log in at the application. The systems open the functions and enable the data for his particular role. In this case, the system admin. For every implemented module, an icon appears. Behind the icons, the same surface to set up and to administrate the chosen module. At the flyovers appears a short description of the module or function behind the tile. The user management is also part of this program section. The admin can manage the user groups and the user access. With the dashboard, the supervisor can manage incident requests and can organize his workforce. The maintenance and cleaning wizard help the supervisor to set up the maintenance and cleaning tasks in short time. The supervisor set up the main information related to a contract agreement or related to internal standards. With a selection form, the user selects the installations, aggregates, or rooms. The user chose the activities from predefined catalogs. On the end of the process, the user defines the intervals. Workloads can be bundled by work scopes. The supervisor can set up with the FaMe wizard planned activities like preventive maintenance, cleaning, pest control, or patrol tasks in detail for a long term. The system overview creates the single task in the given time frame automatically. native mobile phone applications with graphic, GPS, and camera functions. As an example, the Request app. The native app supports online and offline operation, with automatically data replication with the server. Keywords manage automatically the routing. CAD or other maps can be integrated for the navigation, to describe the incident location exactly. The app can use as an alternative, barcodes or NFC tags for the location description. With a scan, the system records the unique asset number, which tracks the exact location. The camera can take a photo to describe the problem. The app automatically adds the photo to the ticket. The system provides energy consumption diagrams and actual building utilization reports. The system compares the long-term energy consumption to rate the actual situation to optimize and reduce the actual energy consumption, or the consumption of a group of installations in one view. Another graphical report shows the utilization of workplaces or conference rooms. FaMe provides a one-stop solution for room management. The module manages not only the booking timing. Catering, janitor, or other services can be booked with the function in one loop. The user enters a meeting description, which appears at different displays like the room door display, or at the meeting overview display at the entrance area. Different seating plans are appearing at the form. The user chose the seating form, and the system calculates the setup and dismounting time. The attendees of the meeting can be linked. The FaMe visitor management gets automatically an announcement which person arrived for the meeting at which time. Electronic door plates and large meeting overview displays are available. A modern workplace management is also a part of the comprehensive solution. The system covers permanent occupation, co-working booking, shared desks or home-based bookings concepts. Self-service bookings with a touchscreen are also available. Incident management is one of the core functions from a building management system. FaMe offers different solution. Self-service solution via browser as part of a workplace desktop application or smartphone apps and tablet solutions. FaMe offers also a comprehensive call center solution with PXB phone integration. The seamless integration with BMS or Internet of Things completes the one-stop solution for incident management. The contract management is a part of the administration solution suite. The FaMe system manage all kind of contracts, like delivery and procurement contracts, service provider contracts, or energy delivery contracts. An approval workflow is also part of the solution. The invoice module is one core part of the FaMe financial solution. FaMe manage incoming and outgoing invoices. The booking journal records every action at the general ledger. Reminder management and approval workflows are also a part of the solution. Payment management or with credit card or wallet is one option. FaMe supports also different access management concepts. Traditional key management or electronic access solutions. Different access management system can be linked with the FaMe system, also in combination with a CCTV management. The FaMe SCADA system is a new module at the FaMe solution suite. The SCADA system links the facility management operation with the sensors and actors of the BMS system. IoT and other protocols can be also integrated at the system. With the FaMe system, you have more time for your hobbies. The system reduces significantly the effort for building operation and increase at the same time the comfort and availability of the real estate. Thank you for your audience. Don't hesitate to contact us or one of our partners for additional information.